Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdulrhman Uthman, a student of King Faisal University. In this video, we will continue discussing the select statement with join. We will be using the tables that were generated in lesson 16. So make sure you did that before proceeding here. Here are the different types of join that we will discuss in this lesson and in the next lesson. We will use the employees departments table again, so we better understand them. The lines among the tables means that they are related. For tables to be related, they must have common attributes. For example, jobs and employees tables are related because of their common column, job ID. Now look at the countries table. It is related to two tables, locations and regions. It's related to locations through country ID, while to regions through region ID. Now look at the employees again. It is related to how many tables? Employees is related to 4 tables. Again, to jobs through job ID, to departments through department ID, to job history through employee ID, and to itself through manager ID and employee ID. Let's not complicate things and just understand how join works. When we join tables, we are not increasing the rows but the columns in a row, which means more information for the row. For example, if we will join employees and jobs, it will be like adding the columns of jobs to employees. Next, we will try to find the matching rows through their job ID, like add, press, or add VB, or IT proc. Now, we have more information about our employees. Click SQL Workshop, then SQL Commands. Again, make sure to always set rows value to the maximum. Let's first use equi-join. Select star from employees, alias E, and alias is a second name that we shorten for easy reference. Jobs, alias J, now their common column, where E.job ID equals G.job ID. Run it. We now have 16 columns for each row. Notice that the 2 job IDs are included. Next, let's use join with on. Select star from employees, alias E, join, jobs J, on E.job ID equals J.job ID. Run it. We again have 16 columns with 2 job IDs. We can use using instead of on. Delete on and the rest. Replace them with using and place job ID inside bracket. Remove the aliases. Run it. There are only 15 columns as job ID appears only once. For this example, you may use left and right joins and may see the same results. Just add left before the join. Run it. There are also only 15 columns. Replace left with right. Run it. Let's use natural join, which works well only if both tables have exact name of common column. Run it. Also 15 columns. Last, try cross join by replacing natural with cross. Run it. There are 240 rows because it multiplies each row to every row of the other table. In our next lesson, we will try to understand inner, left, and right joins. Thank you for your interest in this channel.